Repco's 900 amp Jumpstarter is a portable power source suitable for 6-cylinder petrol vehicles and up to 2.5 litre diesel vehicles. This powerful Jumpstarter is fitted with a 12-volt 19 amp hour AGM sealed battery. Its smart charging system allows you to leave it on charge indefinitely without the worry of overcharging the battery. The low voltage warning system activates automatically when the battery drops below 50% of its total capacity, indicating charging is required. Plus, additional protection is provided from the reverse polarity alarm, which will alert you if you've connected the clamps incorrectly. The Repco 900 amp Jumpstarter also features fully insulated professional grade clamps, 90 cm copper jumper leads, an LED battery level display, 12-volt DC and 5-volt 2.4 amp power sockets which can be used for powering a variety of appliances, and a bright SMD LED work light for roadside vehicle repairs. Its compact design and flexibility of use make it ideal for travel, home and workshop use.